The farmers' protest has taken a rather ugly turn in Maharashtra. Agitating sugarcane farmers have set a jeep on fire in Kolhapur. Two sugarcane-laden trucks have also been damaged in Satara, where the police resorted to lathi charge to try and control the situation. And Palomi is now with us on the phone line. Palomi, tell us a little bit about the protest and what exactly happened and what kind of action is now being taken against this stir that is only intensifying further.
Absolutely. The stir, the agitation by farmers, which is a few weeks old now, is only intensifying. As you know, just a couple of days ago, two farmers lost their lives in this agitation. One was killed in a police firing and the other, a truck ran over him in Kolhapur. Now what has happened is that protesting farmers have set a police jeep on fire. In Satara, sugarcane-laden two trucks have been damaged. Police lathi charged these protesting farmers, as a result of which at least one PSI and two police constables have been injured. What we hear from Sangli is that effigies of Sharad Pawar and his nephew, former Deputy Chief Minister of Maharashtra, Ajit Pawar, have been burnt as well. So the stir is only intensifying. The situation in Western Maharashtra becoming quite tense as of now. As you know, the Chief Minister met with these agitating farmers yesterday after their leader, Raju Shetty, was taken into custody and sent into 14 days judicial custody. Chief Minister met with the farmers. He spoke to their representatives, but there was no saw in those talks. It was inconclusive. So as of now, the agitation continues and the situation only becomes more and more tense as these farmers demand a fair price for their produce.